ARM addressing mode. There are different ways to specify the address of the operand for any given operation such as load, add or branch. The different ways of determining the address of the operand are called addressing modes. We are going to explore different addressing mode of ARM processor and learn how all instruction can fit into a single word 32-bit. So these are all the names register to register, or it can alternatively be called. In this column we are alternative names and what you will find in the ARM manuals. So the first is register to register. Its example is, suppose we have to move the content of R1 register into R0 register. So the register to register, these are direct. Then we have absolute addressing. It is called direct addressing. Suppose there is a memory address and some value is located at a memory address, then it has to be put into R0. So what we can do is we can directly put the memory address into our instruction, and what this will do, it will copy the content of the memory location into the R0 register. So it is direct memory addressing. Then we have literal memory addressing or immediate memory addressing. Here what is done is, let's say the number 15, decimal number 15 is immediately put into register 0, or the next instruction is something like add. So what here is doing is R2 is first added into, so number 12 is, decimal number 12 is immediately added into R2 register, and the content of the R2 register, on the content of the addition, sorry, the number 12, decimal number 12 is added into the content of R2 register, and the result is stored in the R1 register. The next is indexed and base or register indirect. Here what happens is, this bracket indicates that the R1 register is pointing to some other memory location. So R1 holds the memory address, uh, then the R0. So the content, so it is like a pointer. So content of the memory location is stored in the R1 register, and this the value at this memory address which R1 holds is put into the R0 register. Okay, then we have pre-indexed base with displacement. Here what happens is register, it is also known as register indirect with offset. So in ARM processors we have the concept of offsetting. So what offsetting does is something like this. So it is similar to the register indirect addressing mode. What here is done is, so the next so what here is done is, the R1 register holds the memory location of some value, and that R1 location is incremented by number 4. As you know, it is so it is incremented by 4 bytes. So what happens is R1 is incremented to 4 bytes. So the next memory location is pointing, but the base is here, is base memory address is here. So this is good for your arrays and your data structure operations, array, stacks and queues. First it will uh, first it will increment the first it will uh, okay okay so next is pre-increment register. Next is pre-indexed auto indexing, and register indirect pre-increment. Here what happens is R1 is holds the base memory location, and number 4 is our next instruction. Okay, so 4 byte is added to base register, and then that location is put into R0. uh, then that location's value is put into R0 register, and this not indicates that it is the R1 register is incremented first. So R1 register is incremented first, then that value is put into R0 register. Okay, the next is post increment. Here what happens is you R the base, the R1 holds the base memory location, and first that memory location's value is put into R0 register, and then R1 is incremented by 4 bytes. Okay, so the next it points to the next memory location, and that memory location is stored in the R1 register. So as you can see, so literal addressing mode has an example of compare. So if you want to compare two registers values, so R0 holds one value and we have an immediate value, that is 22. So whether it is greater than, less than, or compare. Okay. So register indirect addressing mode. So we have read the instruction to find the pointer register, read the pointer register to find the operand, read memory, add the operand address to find the operand. So example of this is LDR R2 comma bracket in the R0. So what this is saying is load R2 with the word pointed by R0, and then store in the similar fashion, store R2, store the word R2 into the R3 in the location pointed by R3. Okay. Then we also have a program counter relative addressing mode. So what happens is so register 15 is the program counter. If you use register 15 as a pointer register to access operand, the resulting address mode is called program counter relative addressing. The operand is specified with respect to the current code location. So here what happens is R15 holds the memory location. Okay, and so this will load something like this: load R0 with the word pointed at R1. Okay, load with the word pointed by R1 plus 25, R1 5 plus 24. So